How today in front of me Vivo Y35 and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Feed on this device. So now we can see that the Google Discover is activated, and if you want to turn it off, we should first just slide with your fingers at the same time to the center just to pinch, or just to hold for a while your device screen with the finger. Then on the left down corner we should tap to the home settings, and you will see here Google Discover switcher. Just to activate or turn off the Google Discover, we should use this switcher. For example, now it's turned off. So let's go back and we can see that we just successfully disable it. If you want to turn it off, by the same way, go to the home settings, tap on the Google switcher, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.